Hey guys, welcome to our 18th block-based programming tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to change each effect by a certain number, changing another effect to a certain number, as well as how to clear all graphical effects. Okay, so we're going to start off by deleting all these sprites. Okay, and we're going to add, let's add a few pictures. Let's add this bat. Okay. We'll add this bat and I don't know, what's another cool one? Let's add this ghost, okay? So I have the bat and the ghost. So first thing I want to look at is change color by an effect. If I drag this block in here, you can see that I can change not just color, but a bunch of different effects, a fisheye effect, whirl, pixelate, and so on. So let's just drag an event in here. Let's drag a when space key is pressed event. So it's going to change color effect by 25. Let's see what happens when I press the space key. Okay. Each time I press the space key, the ghost's color effect is being changed by 25. Okay. If I want a slower change, I could pick a lower number, so I could pick 10, right? And what it's really doing is it's just cycling through colors, right? So if I hold down the space key, you see how it kind of just like it's just spinning right through a color wheel, all right? So that would be color. That's changing the color effect. Let's see if I wanted to change a fisheye by 10. Let's see what happens. And he slowly starts becoming a little bit of a blob with his face up towards the top. The way we can reset this, we go to the looks, and let's just say clear graphic effects, right? So what should the clear button be? Let's say we'll duplicate this, take out the fisheye, and we'll say in order to reset everything, we're going to make the reset, let's just say R for reset. When the R key is pressed, we're going to clear all graphical effects. So when I click the R, he's going to go back to normal. Okay, so that was the fisheye effect. Let's see what other effects we have. Fisheye, then we have whirl. So I'll click the space key, and if I hold it down, he's going to slowly spin around. Looks like he's going down the drain. I click R, he resets again. There's the whirl, and then there's pixelate. I'm going to go ahead and click space key, and he slowly becomes a bunch of pixels, right? And that's hurting my eyes even looking at it. Click R, and now he's back to normal. Oh wow, that hurt my eyes. And then there's mosaic. Okay, so I click space, and he just keeps multiplying over and over and over and over and over. Okay, and let's click the R button to reset. There's a mosaic. There's the brightness. So if I click the space key, he should be moving brighter until he's gone. And I click R, and he resets. And then let's also look at ghost. Okay, so I click space. Once again, he slowly becomes a ghost. He disappears. If I change the brightness, right, and let's say I add by a negative number, right, that should make it darker. Let's see what happens. Sure enough, he's becoming darker. So if I click a negative number, it makes him darker. And I click R, and he resets. Okay. And then the last thing I want to talk about is setting to a certain effect. Okay, so you can set the color effect to a certain number. Okay, if you want to set it to 0, then I believe it resets it. Let's say set color to 0. Let's see what happens if the R key is pressed. So if I click the space key, he's moving darker. If I click the R button, sets color effect to 0. Okay, so you're able to set the color effect and make it the way you want it to, and then to clear all graphical effects, you can go ahead and do that. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.